Biano muchuku, biano, biano muchuku na kanyi boishala yeah. Biano muchuku, biano, biano muchuku na kanyi boishala yeah. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Then, if you go to some parts, there are some countries where they have too many witchcrafts. Everybody are singing, "We wish you a Merry Christmas." We wish you a Merry Christmas. Then some parts, some group, already possessed by negative mindset and with their witchcraft. Everyone are saying, "We wish you a Merry Christmas." In their group, they are singing, we will winch you this very Christmas. We will winch you this very Christmas. That they will use witchcraft against you this Christmas. Let's go back to the topic. Ikwalu ibu, Iduputa, 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 pull us out, and cover. Atunukpanambu, N-U, ba, N-K-P-A, Nambu, N-A-M-B-U. Atunukpanambu. I'll spell it. I'll give you the spelling at the bottom. Ikwalu ibu, Iduputa, pull us out and cover. Atunukpanambu. 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 When you hear about Atunukpanambu energy, or when you hear somebody or anybody, anyone is possessed by Atunukpanambu, Atunukpanambu are empty. That's all. Empty entities. Empty entities possessing the innocent, possessing people. They are all about Atunukpanambu. Empty entities. And you could make them, they see, they hear, but they will be unable to differentiate what is good and what is bad. Anything Atunukpanambu energy show them, they conclude and say, we must carry out this mission. Whatever they hear Atunukpanambu in their ear or in their vision, they must carry them out. All the negativities. And when people are possessed by Atunukpanambu spirit, they start going against everybody. When they are in religious group, we have them in religious group. Like the Judas in our midst. They are there friendly. But they are ready to betray everybody. They are ready to receive money. Then betray everybody there. Then everybody killed. They are possessed by Atunukpanambu. When they are in religion or in group that are in peace, But when anybody possessed by Atunukpanambu, sometimes they come up and say they are holier than everybody. And everybody must go to hell. Everybody must perish. That they are holier than everybody. And sometimes when they are in Catholic Church, or a priest or a monk or a nun possessed by Atunukpanambu in their dwelling, they see themselves, they are holier than everybody worldwide. Because they can pray the rosary in the morning, in the night, in the afternoon, in the night, do that all day. Eh? Then when they see others doing different stuff, doing their thing, they condemn them. They say, everybody must perish. And sometimes they start challenging the Pope. And they say the Pope, Pope Francis, is an antichrist. But they are in religion. When they gather in their group, they start accusing everybody. This bishop will go to hell. This sister will go to hell. This parish, I see earthquake. All of them must die. This country must be wiped out by water and destroyed. They are what God told me. They are possessed by Atunukpanambu. And other churches, all they pray, all they care, and all they preach, they are going around, telling everybody, word is vanity upon vanity. That's all they preach. The word is no home. When you are acquiring wealth, hustling, making money to make your life better, to enjoy life, when they see that, they condemn it. They say, you guys are wasting your time because you will die one day. You will die someday. And all this wealth gone. They continue to bring different negative ideas to use to qualify what they are saying. They are possessed by Atunukpanambu. And Atunukpanambu are empty entities. They possess people and they move around. If you like, feed them, give them all the resources. But they have already made up their mind to carry out this negative mission. Knock out of reality world. Knock out from the good side. They are possessed by Atunukpanambu. And Atunukpanambu are empty entities. All they pray and all they care and all they work towards, everybody die. The world end today. No more world. No more future. No more future generation. Then the world end. Because they believe they are the holy. They are holier than everybody. And when they go to everybody die, they go get special reward in a place or with a god or in a kingdom. Then they are all crowned kings and queens, patrons, matrons, president, vice president, senate, representatives in that kingdom. Then the rest perish. Everybody go to hell. Everybody burn in the fire. These people are possessed by Atunukpanambu. You need to separate them from those that are ready to recuperate, from those that are ready to recover. Because when they are there, all their praying, all their knowledge are going against everybody there. They are looking for who to recruit to join them. They are looking for who to recruit and change their mindset with their evil examples. They pray, they cast their spell, and they go physical, trying to convince the innocent, the weaker mind, all that has no knowledge. Then they convert them to join them, forming this group. They are all possessed by Atunukpanambu, and their agenda are always against the world, to destroy all Atunukpanambu energy, wherever they are rising from in their group, the energy, their altars, foundations. I use all animals, roosters, cells, 3 bitter colors, male dog, nkita, male dogs, obago, otinku chicken, 4 he-goats, baby powders, cosmetic soap, tissue napkins, destroy and turn all of them upside down. Then to block them all the Atunukpanambu, the energy, their altars, their foundation, where they might struggle to rise again, to block them forever, and they rise no more. I use all animals, roosters, hens, 33 bitter colors, uncountable rabbits, Ebo Ngene green blocking, Chuku and Ndotia walls, all colors blocking, biophysical and spiritual giant walls, block all Atunukpanambu. Then to cover them now, to cover, I use all trash bags, plastic bags, black bags, black blankets, Akwoji, bring all together, all Atunukpanambu energy, cover all of them. Put them in basket, cover, tie, chain, blind, block, bury, cover all of them, and banish them out. Then Ikwalu to free us, and Iduputa. I used all animals, roosters, hens, frogs, goats, agama lizard, owls, grasshoppers, oranges, sugar, pepper soup, 33 uncooked eggs, 33 bitter colors. Use them like Ikwalu, Ibu, and Iduputa pull us out from all Atunukpanambu energies, and take them out and use them, separate us, separate the world, separate all worldwide with Atunukpanambu, negative energies, entities, making people one same messenger with Atunukpanambu, emptiness, and empty entities, separate us and pathways and say, Atunukpanambu, free, we are free, and be banished in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west, and all be free. Then the ones already in people, possessed in their head, in their mind, in their soul, in their thinking, in their ways of reasoning, in their innermost self, in their body, in their room, in their home, in their foundation, in their altars, in all their energies already there, controlling them, making them repeating same mistake, going back to same problem, going against everybody, to cast them out now, and banish them. I use all animals, roosters, hens, frogs, goat, agama lizard, owls, grasshoppers, oranges, sugar, pepper soup, 33 uncooked eggs, 33 bitter colors, burning incense, burning sage. I use them, cast all of them out in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west, and free us. All come together and pray. We stand up on all land, all ocean, all airspace. We skyrocket to sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxies, cosmos, solar system, infinities, orbit, asteroid, heaven, earth, all foundation, all family, generation, ancestries, all countries, all states, all cities. We part, transfer to all states in USA, and all USA allies to NATO, all that love USA, transfer to them. Transfer to all hospitals, then to psych ward with cooperative cares. Transfer to my serenity, the cooperative care, into their foundation, science and technologies. All copy, transfer to them. Transfer to Wesley, the cooperative care. Transfer into all religion, Catholicism, Hinduism, all churches, Hinduism, Buddhism, all churches. Transfer to police, sheriff, CIA, Secret Service, FBI, military, Navy, Air Force, Marine, Coast Guard, Border Patrol, Custom, Immigration. Transfer to all securities. Transfer to Ally Universal Security. Transfer to Securitas. Transfer to us for free. Transfer to into all sports. Premier League, Champions League. Transfer to Chelsea, FC, men and women. And all our fund and all our foundation. Transfer to into MLS, transfer to LA Galaxies, transfer to NBA, transfer to Lakers, transfer to MLB, baseball, transfer to Dodgers, transfer to NFL, transfer to Rams, transfer to NHL, transfer to LA Kings, transfer to LAFC, transfer to Club America, Mexico, transfer to Sanko, transfer to Nkwuaku family, Akamitalo family, Umuechete, Okeke, Okafor, all our friends and well wishers, and all that love us and support us in secret. Transfer to them. Transfer to Imobiora family, Meto family, Egongo family, Ezibe family, Uchebe family, Ibe family, Uchebe family, Ibe family, Egede family, Dope family, Ejiofa family. Transfer to all for free. Transfer to Freemasonries, Masons, Ekis, Ikanka, Amok, Rosicrucians, Oboni, all the craft, all the lodge, Boy Scout, Girl Scout, all moving the world forward. all cultures, all religion, all tradition transfer to us for free, and transfer to all individually into our individual science and technologies. All Atunukpanambu be banished in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. Empty entities, same and one messenger, like Atunukpanambu, all be free. So Maribi. He say, Sanko FM, Chief Priest, Peter, Odira, Nkwuaku, in Los Angeles, California, USA. Chief Priest World, Chief Priest USA. USA, USA, USA. Hey! Oh, come. We skyrocket. Hey! USA worldwide, all turn together. We skyrocket the third time. Hey! Egume jebe USA. Nyajebe. Forward.